In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make these two-tone scrap-busting scrunchies. So you'll want to go through your fabric scraps and try to find complementary fabric pieces. I chose these pink and purple scraps of fabric and cut out two rectangles that were 9 inches wide and 4 inches high. The first thing we're going to want to do is place the two pieces together, right sides facing, and sew along one end. This is how it looks after I've sewn the side and pressed the seam open. The next thing we're going to want to do is fold the fabric together, right sides facing, and pin along the top edge. We're going to want to leave a 1.5 inch gap here, so I'm going to mark that with pins. We're going to want to sew along the top edge, stop and leave a gap here, and then continue along the edge. This is what it looks like after I've sewn the top, and here is the gap. So on the opposite end, we're going to pierce the safety pin through the fabric and push it through to the other end. And now with the tube turned halfway, we're going to match the two ends together, which are going to be right sides facing, and sew around the end. You can do this by hand stitching or on a sewing machine. I chose to hand stitch this section because it's very small. Now what you want to do is pull the fabric through the gap. This is what it looks like after I've given it a nice press. And now we're going to cut a piece of elastic that is 7.5 inches long, and with a safety pin we're going to feed the elastic through the opening. Once it's out the other end, grab both pieces of elastic and pin and sew the ends together. The last step is to sew the opening shut. We're going to do this by sewing a line of stitching close to the edge. Now we have a cute scrunchie that uses up all your leftover fabric. You can try this in so many different styles by incorporating more colours or even just making a simple one. I hope you loved this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me.